Good evening, everyone. As you can hear in the background, the garbage truck is fixing to come. Also, we have some buses that are fixing to come, and I'm happy. And I would like to film the buses as they pass by. So here we come. All right, here comes the garbage truck. And then also we'll take a video of some buses. So I'll just take out some shots of the buses. So there they go. Okay, so the reason I muted this clip, or actually it's not a clip, it's a part. The reason I muted this part of the video is because there was something wrong that should have not happened during this video recording, and so I just went ahead and muted that part. But as you can see, there is the first bus that is about to pass, and there it goes. And obviously today was the perfect sunny day to go outside and make some videos of the buses. I really enjoyed doing that a lot. And then there goes the next bus. So yeah, it was obviously today a great day to go outside and film these buses. And grateful for the lovely sunset that God has blessed us with on this day. Very grateful for that. There's the garbage truck as it continues through the area. Obviously today was not stormy as it was last week. If it was stormy, it would have been the worst day of all. Just saying. Okay, I'm just saying. But yeah, there it is. As it takes the trash out. Next, what you're about to see on your screen is the final bus that will pass by. That is the next thing that you're about to see on your screen. So that is next, and there it goes. And then the reason I stayed over here for a while is because there was another bus that came, and this bus was headed towards the Brighton area. And I used to go to school in the Brighton area when I was in first grade, second grade, and third grade. And so obviously it wasn't a bad idea to go and film that. And there it goes. Well, let's go back and resume our garbage truck recordings. Well, our Christmas special garbage truck recording will be next week, so that is an announcement I want to make for those of you that are watching us right now. Our Christmas garbage truck recording is next week, so just stay tuned for that. Have not seen a Bessemer City school bus. And yes, obviously I was going to make a full clip, a full compilation of when the buses passed by. Earlier, Lipscomb number 2315 passed by, so, well, I'll make sure to edit it for you guys. Well, there it goes, all the way down there. What's that? Thought I heard a noise of another school bus coming. But I think that was the garbage truck. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was the garbage truck, because otherwise it would have already passed. And there's the dog rumbling through the streets. What the heck? I've never seen a garbage truck act like this before. I don't hear the reverse. But what I'm fixing to do here is I'm gonna go ahead and back up the camera, because they're gonna honk their horns if I don't. Speaking of honking their horns, they're about to honk their horns. This is what professional photographers do. Holy. Well, still, I appreciate you for joining us for today's garbage truck recordings. Even though the ending didn't look good. Okay, the ending did not look good, so I had to remove that part. So the ending of the garbage truck, where it went towards the rest of going straight, going to the right, kind of like my direction, it didn't look good, so I had to remove the part. Speaking of which, thank you for joining us for today's garbage truck recordings. Like, comment, and subscribe to the Kindergarten Rocks channel. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.